Welcome to Adobe MathLab. Today we're diving into the Sine Rule, a powerful tool that can be used for solving problems with triangles. Whether you're finding a missing side or an unknown angle, the Sine Rule makes it simple and systematic. Let's begin. Look at this triangle. Notice that the angles are labelled in capital letters, while the sides opposite to each angle are labelled in their respective common letters. Now, if you should select any side on the triangle and put it over the sine of the opposite angle, it will be equal to another side over the sine of its opposite angle. This gives us the equation you are seeing on the screen. Alternatively, you can flip each side. The Sine Rule can be applied to any type of triangle, including right-angled triangles. Now, let's see it in action. We need to find the length of the side x. Applying the Sine Rule, we can label it as common A. That means its opposite angle is labelled capital A. The other known side and its opposite angle can be labelled as common B and capital B. Now let's make the substitutions into the formula. We replace the numerator on the left with the side that we are trying to find. That's x. In the denominator, we sine the angle opposite to x. That's 80 degrees. On the other side, we always substitute whichever side and opposite angle known to us. So that will be the side length 7 centimeters over the sine of its opposite angle, 60 degrees. We are solving for x, so we need to get rid of the denominator that divides it on the left. And so we need to multiply both sides by sine 80. We can enter everything on the right-hand side into a calculator all at once, and we should get x equals 7.96. In this example, we are finding an unknown angle. When finding an unknown angle, it's always best to flip the Sine Rule, so that the angle is in the numerator. The angle that we want can be labelled as capital R, with its opposite side as common R. On the right, we always use the known side and its opposite angle. In this case, as capital Q and common Q, substituting the values into the formula on the left, we get sine R over its opposite side, 28 units. On the right, we get sine of the given angle, 39 degrees, over its opposite side, 41 units. Now we need to find sine R before we can calculate angle R. So we multiply both sides by its denominator 28. Hence, sine R equals 0.43. To get angle R, we press Shift, then sine, then 0.43. Then the equal sign. You should have R equals 25.5 degrees.